You want to create your own music channel and monetize it from YouTube channel? You have come to the right video to learn. Before I tell you the correct method to get Hindi song or Bollywood songs, please subscribe my channel as this will give me some motivation. All Hindi songs or Bollywood songs are copyrighted. You cannot simply copy it and put it in your YouTube channel. You will get copyright strike or your channel can be blocked. Hence, you must learn how to get Hindi or any songs from right source so that nobody shall claim your rights. Right sources are the original music companies who are creating these songs. There are companies like T-Series, Tips Music Company, Shemaru and Eagle Music etc. Here, I will show you how to get license from these companies. Just type tseries.com in the browser and it will take you T-Series site. Now you have to press contact icon. Once pressed, it will take you to new window. Now you will see different categories like corporate bulk sales, retail business etc. You will get mobile and digital and radio icon. You have to select this and send one email to T-Series company. You will find here phone number, contact name, email ID and his phone number. Varun Arora is the person who takes care of this vertical. Now I will show you another site from where you can buy Bollywood songs. It is shemaru.com. Please type this in the browser and go to their official website. You as a small YouTuber, you may not have abundant money to buy many songs from the original companies. What you have to do is bargaining. They may charge you 500 rupees or 1000 rupees per songs for 1 or 4 years license. You browse their website and scroll down to the bottom. These are all big companies and please do not shy to bargain with them. You can also go for sharing monetizing plan. It means that what you earn from your channel, 50% or more will go the original company. In this case your charge per son will be less. Here, you will find contact us icon. Please press this and it will take you to the next window. Here you will find email ID. Please send a message mentioning which song you want to buy and what is the purpose. These are all professional companies and they will send you information. Now I will take you to another site which is Tips Company. Please write tips.in in your browser and it will take you to their website. Please browse through their website as design of it very attractive. They have given info icon at the top. Here you have to press info icon at the top left hand corner. Once you press info icon, you will find contact icon. Please press it. Once pressed, it will take you to next page. Here you will get the window in the form of a form. Please fill up all the necessary information they have asked for. Please put your name, mobile number, origin of country and purpose of the license. Please write the song or songs you want to buy for your channel. Please mention the name of the songs and composer. You will get it from YouTube channel where this song or songs are played. After this, please put the code and press send icon. I will now take you to next site which is eaglemusic.com. This is a company based in out of India. They have good collection of Bengali songs. Please scroll down to their site and you will find contact icon. Press scroll icon. It will take you to next page where you will have to put all information. Please write purpose of license you are asking for. Also please mention the songs you want to buy from them. Please scroll down to their site and you will find contact icon. Press contact. It will take you to next page where you will have to put all information. Please write purpose of license you are asking for. Also please mention the songs you want to buy from them. Now, I will tell you how you can get the details of any song you want to have license. Please go to YouTube and write the name of the song on the taskbar. You will get the songs and now, press more. You will find the details of the song. You will find the name of the singer, music composers, etc. You have to copy this and put this information in a contact form of these music companies. They will reply once you send your requirement. Hope you got the information from where you will get license. Please subscribe my video and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you.